Did you know that Excel now has a function which lets you convert between different measurement systems? So if you want to convert between Fahrenheit and Celsius or miles and kilometers. If you want to know how to do that, watch this video and I'll show you. So I've got a spreadsheet set up here in Excel. I've just got some cities and some temperatures in Fahrenheit, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in the convert function. So I'm going to start with an equal sign as always, and then type in convert, open up brackets. You can see the pop-up will appear here, which kind of gives you some help in terms of what you need to do. So I want it to convert that cell, then you need to do a comma and a space, and then in speech marks you put in the unit that you want it to be. If you're not sure what they are, it'll pop up and show you a whole load of the different codes you can put in for each of the different units that you wish to convert, and there are loads here. I'll just do this one first. So this is going to be Fahrenheit, so I'm going to do speech mark and F, comma and a space, speech mark C, speech mark, and then close that off with a bracket. So convert B2, comma, space, then in speech marks F, comma, space, in speech marks C, comma, hit return. It'll convert that for me, and I can then drag that down for all the cells. And if you wanted to, then you could obviously reduce the decimals down. I found a help page on Microsoft. I'll put the link to this in the comments below this video, which actually gives you a huge list of all of the units and the codes that you're going to need to use. And so the one thing I have found, this is case sensitive, so some of these you need to put the capital in the right place. You can add multipliers to these as well, so if you wanted to have meters and then kilometers, or decimeters or centimeters, millimeters, micrometers and so on, then you just put the particular letter in front, and that's again the case sensitive thing comes into play. So just another examples. I've got some people and their weight in kilograms. I want to convert that into pounds, so we can do equals convert, open the bracket again, let's choose my first cell and a comma, speech marks, I want that to be from kilograms, comma, I want that to be in pounds, and the symbol for this one is LBM, close the bracket, convert it to pounds, and again let's drag that down like so. Again, we can play around with the decimals if you want to. I've got another one here where I've got distances travelled in miles. Let's convert that into kilometers, so equals convert, open my bracket, click on my cell, comma, speech mark. So that's going to be in miles. The symbol for that is MI, and then the symbol for kilometers, I could do m, which would be meters. If I do km, that would then be kilometers, and there we go. And the same thing, drag that down for all the others. That's nice and easy. And a particular annoyance of mine, if I'm trying to follow recipes online, Americans use cups. Over in England, no idea what a cup is. Okay, we've got cups, but I want it in mils. I measure things in mils. How do you convert cups to mils? Well, I've got a nice easy system here now. I can have my cups here, and this will convert between cups and mils. So equals convert, open my brackets there, that cell, comma, space, and we'll do cup, comma, space, speech mark, and mil. Hit return, and that'll convert between cups and mils like so. Okay, nice and easy. Just use the convert function. If you start typing equals convert, it'll pop up with the structures letting you know how to put it in. Obviously use the Excel help. It'll go through the features of the function for you. Click on that link that I'll put in the comments to go through all the different codes that you can use. It converts everything to everything. There's loads in there. Very, very useful. So I hope you found that to be a useful video. Please check back in the future. I'll have some more for you. Thanks very much for your time. Cheers. Goodbye.